It's 16th August 2020 and we are here for our Sunday calls, Fun AJ. Yay! I am so excited. Everybody thinks she hasn't slept for 3 days. She should be sleepy. Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, POC, online, short, boys and beyond? All the DJCCs, all the best, all the points of views, belief systems, fixed point of views, judgments, refined judgments, everything I haven't even mentioned. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, online, short, boys and beyond. Hi, Kanchan. Guys, so where do we start? So what's fun? my topic is same. What's fun? Are you committed to you? Are you committed to fun, joy, happiness? What is committing to yourself? Is there something that comes up when I say what is committed to yourself? Commitment. What is commitment?
Mythology, sports, brain, or movies or cartoon characters.
Hi, Param.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
So classes at night. Very nice.
So come on, guys. Tell me what's fun, what's commitment, what's joy, what's aging, what's what? Any questions? Come out with your questions.
Is commitment same like responsibility?
That is committed to others. We are talking about commitment to yourself. That is why this responsibility is such a big, heavy word. Commitment doesn't have a, that is why commitment doesn't have a positive ring to it. Everywhere people think commitment is being committed to others, being committed to family, being committed to your parents, being committed to... What I am talking about is commitment to Usha, commitment to Indra, Indra's commitment to Indra, Usha's commitment to Usha. Everywhere you made commitment about responsibility, about sticking to your decisions, not being fickle-minded. You can't be fickle-minded. You have to be committed. Working hard, making a promise and keeping to it. Giving your life up for the commitment to others. Someone or something else. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate all that shit, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, online, short, boys and beyond. None of these things that I mentioned take you anywhere. They do not allow you to create your life. They do not allow you that enthusiasm in your life, that joy in your life. Commitment is such a heavy word. Okay, just think about what commitment to you would look like. What have you decided commitment is that it isn't? And what have you decided the commitment isn't that it actually is? Everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, POC, online, short, boys and beyond?
Yes.
Hi, Nida. How are you?
Hi. Just got up. Sorry.
That's okay. That's all right.
And then I just remembered. I said, "Oh, yeah, call. I have to listen to your call."
Yes, thank you, thank you. So we were talking about commitment, Nida. Commitment to self. Everybody knows about the commitment to others, but what about the commitment to self?
So right now, I do have this my definition for my space of being committed to myself. Can I speak? Can I talk
Yeah,
about it?
please. Please
Yeah.
go ahead.
So for me, like commitment is being with me every 10 seconds, being in the expansive state, being more of that infinite self that I truly am. And also, commitment to me means a lot of other things like being IPOV most of the time. And also, commitment to me means that to see the brilliance, to perceive, know, and be, and receive the brilliance that I truly, truly am. That is what commitment to me means.
Cool. How does it get any better than this, and what else is possible? So, guys, what is commitment to you? Neera, thank you. Hi, guys. Welcome. Commitment actually is to do what you are going to create. What you're going to create as your life, create as your day, create as in every now moment. That's working for you. That's fun for you. Will you please can you please mute yourselves, guys? Hello, mute yourself, please. Who's this person? Hello? Hello, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself, guys. इंद्रा जी आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लो प्लीज म्यूट कर लो थैंक यू whenever you want to ask a question you can unmute yourself okay guys so what is commitment hi Hitesh
Hi, Kamalji. Good morning. It's me,
Good.
Vanita.
Good morning. So, what is commitment? Guys, come on. Where's the enthusiasm?
Can I speak again?
Go ahead, Neera. Go ahead.
Commitment is, I feel, I perceive you are the epitome of you, Kamal, are the epitome of commitment. How committed you are. Every moment I see, like I know I don't participate so actively. I'm doing other stuff, but that doesn't mean on and off. मैं जब भी देखती हूँ, you're so committed in empowering people, and thank you so much. You don't know what changes, what a contribution you are to all of us. I just want you to acknowledge that. How committed you are. So you are the epitome of commitment, if I can say that. Yeah.
Thank you, love. Thank you so much.
Yes, I agree.
Whether or not you're going to follow, whether or not whatever Neera said or whatever I said or whatever is going on in your head, you're going to follow or not. That's not commitment. That's judging yourself and going into the wrongness of you. But what if you were? It's about being more present, more aware in every now moment of what you would like to choose. And in consciousness, in Access, we say consciousness includes everything and excludes nothing. There's no past, there's no future. There's only this present and there is this creation. At this moment, what is going to be created by the choices you make, and how much fun can you have? What if life was that easy and that fun and that simple? Everywhere we go into do's and don'ts and bads and goods and rights and wrongs and positives and negatives. What if you were just choosing from now? Choosing for you, choosing for others, choosing. There was no difference about its commitment to somebody else or to me. It's a commitment to your life, your living, your creation, your reality, your everyday moment to make it more joyous and more fun. Whoever comes in between, you're not judging. You're not saying, oh, I'm committed to this person, I'm now doing this for that person, I don't commit to myself, or I never look at myself. All that is judgment, guys. Functioning from this moment, that is committed to life. And life includes everything. When we started talking about people committed to others, committed to family, committed to children, committed to husband, committed to parents, committed to following this reality. There we are separating us from that. And when we talk about just committed to myself, then we are talking about just me. It's not that. It's all inclusive. And when you function from this type of commitment, then you are creating. You're creating anyway. With every choice that you make, you're creating. But the level of presence and the level of awareness and the level of choices that you're making creates your now and creates your future. So every choice is creating. It's creating anyway. From your unconsciousness, from the choice that you make. But how much fun can you have being aware and conscious in every now moment about the choices you have and asking, what would this choice create? What would it be for the whole world? For the planet? What choices are available that would create magic on my planet? Wouldn't it be more joyful? And there is more receiving in that. Receiving is not give and take. Receiving is simultaneity of gifting and receiving. When you are gifting with your choices that you make, you are receiving simultaneously. You are allowing the whole universe to contribute to you. Each and every molecule to contribute to you. You know, most of us are committed to limitations. ये तो नहीं कर सकते, ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये कैसे हो सकता है, ऐसे तो होता ही नहीं है.
Kaval?
Yes, Sagri.
Hi, Sagri here.
Hi.
Yeah, can you talk? Hi, can you talk a little bit more about the simultaneous?
Can you be a little louder, darling? I can't hear you.
Hear me now?
Little louder. Guys, can you hear her?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear her.
Okay, go ahead.
I said, can you talk a little bit more about the simultaneity of gifting and receiving?
About gifting and receiving?
Yes, the simultaneity of it.
What? Repeat, please. I didn't get it.
Simultaneous.
Okay. All right. So what do we do? What do we do on this reality? We give something to somebody, and we are waiting for that person to return what we have given. In this reality, in our reality, I remember My parents used to say when they got married, there was this guy sitting outside, he was writing what all everybody gave, and that was called a bhaji, and then we had to give the same amount to their children and their daughters and when their weddings happened or their birthdays or whatever function it was. That is obligation. That is not give, that is give and take. इसने इतने का दिया है, मुझे इसको इतना देना चाहिए. इसके घर में मैं खाना खा के आई हूं, इसको मुझे बुलाना चाहिए. There is no joy in that. There is no fun in that. And what I'm talking about, gifting and receiving, is everything in nature is all the time giving, all the time gifting to you. Does a tree want anything from you? No. Gives you fruit, gives you chai, gives you shadow, gives you oxygen, gives you so many things. Does it want anything from you in return? And
Yeah,
what if
not to cut it for sure. Yeah,
even when you cut it, when you cut it, it has no point of view.
Yes.
It has no point of view. It doesn't say मुझे काट दिया, इनको तो मैं छाई देना ही नहीं है. Nature doesn't have a point of view. And when you receive something with love and affection, when somebody gives you something and it brings joy into you and you're grateful for that, you're wearing it, you're telling the other person that I have it. Haven't you already gifted the person who, haven't you already simultaneously gifted the person? You have, by receiving, you have already gifted the person, the one who gifted you something. Am I making any sense? Hello?
Yes.
So everywhere that we are only looking for give and take, everywhere we are functioning from give and take, rather than the simultaneity of gifting and receiving, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POC and POD, online shorts, boys and beyonds.
Kaval?
Yes?
Yeah, now you continue. You're going to say something?
No, you go ahead. Go ahead.
So, Kaval, actually, even this receiving thing is so new for me. I'm talking in the sense that always had this misinterpreted definition of receiving ki wohi jaise, like you said, give and take. Okay, so I got what you said just now. My only could you talk a little bit more about receiving things that we in our world, in our universe, in our reality, we find it difficult to receive, like meanness, rudeness, sliminess, someone conning you, someone cheating you, someone lying to you. So we have to receive that too. So how there is where I have to really be present and to receive that. So could you talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah.
Please?
So receiving, in this reality, we think, thank you for that, Neera. In this reality, we think receiving is only good things. And what if in Access we tell you receiving all of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory. All means good, bad and the ugly. It is so normal for us to reject when something that we get the energy of that somebody is taking something from us, somebody is abusing us, that is the energy that somebody projects at you, and you already get to know that when people are trying to take advantage of you, and you put a block, you put a wall around you. So I always say, when you put a wall around you, who's in the jail?
Me.
Yeah. So when we come to Access, we start creating our own life that was actually earlier revolving around others, and now suddenly it just revolves around us, and we cut off people who are, we start rejecting things, we get to know that we are potent and we can use this to now reject people. That doesn't work. That is taking Access on completely in a different route altogether. It's like a pendulum. You are here and then you go opposite direction. When you stay in Access, you get this, the rhythm, the dance, and then you come to a place where you have your own periphery, you have your own space where you can allow people or not allow people, not from judgment, but from what works for you. It's not about rejecting people, it's not about discarding them. It's about choice. Now you're not coming from judgment of others. Now you're not telling people, I don't want you, go out of my... What did we do earlier before Access? We were either cutting ourselves, parts of ourselves to do for people, or we were just revolting and going the other side. Now I cut off from everybody else. Access says consciousness is about, it's an inclusive universe. It's not an exclusive universe. You can't exclude people, right? So you get to know what works for you. You don't have to reject. You just have to choose you. And then you see that people who are not a contribution to you start moving out of your periphery.
Yes, it's magical. Yes, yes.
It's about fine tuning.
Yes.
Now the energy you are in, only those people can come in fine tune with you.
Kamal, I have a question.
1 minute, let me just finish. You don't have to reject anybody. You don't have to. You are just being you, and everybody around you gets attracted to you, and only those people who are in tune with you come. And if some people who come who are not in tune with you, you will immediately come to know. Your body will immediately let you know. And then you can make a choice. Thank you. And yes, Ranjana.
Thank you.
Thank you for the lovely explanation, but just one clarification that, when you know that in your immediate family, like the way we spoke the other day, somebody who is in your immediate family, right? And you know that they are, as you said, they have some negative influence. And you said that just be yourself, and then the people who are, giving this negative energy will, get out of your environment. What if you don't want them to be out of your environment as well? Then how to handle that?
No,
Because they're your close people.
First, I want to address negative energy. There is no negative energy. Energy is just energy. Your perception makes it negative or not negative. When you say they are negative and you still want them there, can freedom, ease stay on the same platform as judgment? Can you have judgment for somebody and then have that person in your life hunky-dory?
No.
So where are you functioning from? Who are you rejecting? Who are you discarding? And what makes you do that? There's so many questions that you need to ask yourself.
Right.
So it's not about them going away. It's not about them you have to hold on to. It's not about being needy. It's not about you controlling. It's about you being you, choosing for you, being that energy that people get attracted to. Others doing things to you seems normal because that's what is done in this reality. But you doing something to somebody is impossible. You will judge yourself hell. When do you get to receive? What if it wasn't about sending somebody or inviting somebody? Or everything was just about being you, just about being receiving from everybody and anybody. You don't get to receive when you have so much of judgment about ye chala jayega, ye aa jayega, this needy, this. Would an infinite being be ever needy? Would an infinite being need anybody or send anybody away?
So is attachment and affection also a need? Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, yes.
Attachment is control. Attachment is needy. Would you be attached to? I mean, there are the. I have these ficus growing here, and I had put those elephant ears, those big leaf flowers, big leaf plant. I had put underneath that. Ficus has grown, and those plants have also grown that big. Now they are all together, and I see them looking so beautiful. I don't see them fighting. One is coming overlapping the other's space. Where do you allow this in this reality? That is in our reality, that is rejection. We reject that. You have to have my reality, I have to reject somebody. What if you didn't have to reject anybody? Because until you can receive you can't assume anything except that you will be rejected. When you receive you, nobody can reject you. And when you're functioning from I will be rejected, I will be left out, as your primary point of view, you're always prepared for that. And you will create that. It seems crazy that I would reject. It really seems crazy that I will choose to be discarded or rejected. But we do that. We've already rejected and discarded ourselves when we say that, oh, somebody is going to reject us. Because it's easier for us to reject us than to receive. Receiving is so difficult for us. We cannot receive people who care for us. We always want to find out why they're doing that. What is their maqsad for that? And when you care for somebody too much, they have to run away. This is how this crazy reality works. Anybody was saying something here?
Yeah, what you said is true. That if the more we care for someone, they run away. And then that person, the one, if they are caring, we think इसके पीछे कुछ जरूर कुछ राज होगा. That's true. And then I want to
Exactly.
ask you about that one, I'm teaching as a private tutor for young children. So in between, the principal, the owner, the principal gave me that allowance of teaching. And then at the end of the month, she was not paying me all the amount of the money, you know. So she uh, give very little sum of money. And then I said, okay, I got what I hated, you know. I said, okay, now I'm not giving coaching. I wanted, I'm not going to touch tuitions or coaching, and because you are not paying me well. Then इसके मन में बैठ रहा है. So I said, now I want to start doing it again. I told her I want to take. She's not giving me. So how to create that again so that the children can come to
So
me?
were you willing to receive? Are you
Yes,
willing to receive money?
yes.
Are you? Truth. I said truth. You can't lie to me. Are you willing to receive abundance? Are you willing to receive way more money than you can ever imagine?
Yes.
No, there is no energy to what you're saying. You're saying something else, but there's something else going on. There is another different energy behind that. How much are you willing to receive? You have to choose what's a reality for you. You know what? I really like to have lots and lots of money.
Is it making a demand from the Mother Universe?
No, you cannot make the demand of the universe. You have to make a demand of you and request of the universe.
Mm.
So it's all about getting clear about what your reality is. When you told her that you are not going to do this, did you ask a question? You went into competition. You computing things. You went into ऐसे कर रहा था इसने ऐसे नहीं दिया इसने इसको देना चाहिए था इसने दिया अब मैं नहीं करूँगी. That's what how this reality functions. That's how we are taught to function. Did you ask what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change this? What's right about this? I'm not getting. How does it get any better than this? What else is possible? What can I say that she is willing to hear? What would it take for me? What would it take for me? What would it take for me to honor me for what I am doing? And universe, can I have more money than I have ever dreamt of?
The
Then
one that question just now you made, should I say it in front of that person or
no. You are saying
inside?
it to yourself. You're asking yourself. Instead of going into computing, instead of going into how this reality goes into is ऐसे हुआ तो वैसे हुआ इसने ऐसे किया इसने वैसे किया मैं तो करूंगी नहीं ये. That's how we do. Has that reality been working? Has everywhere you look around, has this been working? No. So what is, even when you don't know what the clarity is for you, you can ask for it. Okay, what universe, show me what would be clear here for me. Can I have total clarity and ease as to what can I say that she will be able to listen? And now that has been done, this could have been done earlier. Now that has been done, you can start pulling energy from her. And what would it take for you to have no point of view? They come from her or they come otherwise, or your universe wants to share it, or you don't know where the money comes from. Everywhere you think that is the only way you can have money. Would you be willing to destroy and uncare it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honest, short, boys and beyond. So if I were creating my reality today, what would I choose? Would I choose to reject that person? Or would I choose to, oh, what can I choose? Universe, show me. I don't know. I'm not getting what I need to do now. This has been done. Sorry. Don't go into the wrongness of it, of you, of her. Wrongness and judgment do not create. They kill. They do not create. Creation and judgment cannot be on the same platform. So everywhere you're going into the wrongness of you, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, short, boys, and then ask a question. If I was creating my reality today, what would I choose? Universe, what energy, space, and consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease in every area of my life? What would it take for me to receive, perceive, know, be the level of abundant being, phenomenal being, brilliant being that I truly be, that I actually am? Show me, universe. I can't see it sometimes in me. What you judge, you cannot receive. Receiving is we have been taught not to receive. So open your receiving, never go into the wrongness of you or anybody else. Ask question. That is the only way to choose greater, to choose more, to have more in your life. You are so much at ease. You're so much at ease when you choose you. And choosing you is being in question, not going into conclusion. Ever, ever, never, never, ever, 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 never. Thank you, darling. Thank you for your question. I hope it helped.
Yeah, it helped. Now, this question, the one you were saying and repeating and all that, it should be done every day. Like
every moment,
what can I
every
change?
choice of every day of it. Question. Why do we say in Access? We say you become question. You are money. You are question. You become that, and then there is nothing that's away from you. That's far away from you.
Mm-hmm.
So what are you choosing? Are you choosing to be in question 24/7? There's actually so much to be created, to be contributed to receive contribution. When you come out of the box of this reality, ये रियलिटी का वे है, मैंने ये किया, उसने ऐसे किया, ये उसने किया, मैं तो अब नहीं करूंगी. Come out of that. That is this. What can you do functioning from outside the box and creating every day a new possibility? There is so much to be created. If you are committed to living, if you're committed to joy, if you're committed to, when you're joyous, you be an energy. Everything is energy, guys. So when you be the energy of joy and happiness, things just get connected with you like magnet. Things just start showing up in ways that you didn't think that they could. And there is so much of a level of ease with all of that. There's not level of ease when we are going into our head computing. And there's so much energy. Have you realized how much energy you use to go into that story? ऐसे हुआ तो फिर वैसे हुआ तो फिर वो हुआ तो फिर ऐसे करा तो फिर उसने ऐसे किया तो फिर उसने. And what if you just had those 4 questions? What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? And you got the energy of it and you chose that and asked a question, and then just by your being that energy, the other person realized that they should be giving it to you. What if you didn't have to do anything? You just had to be. Nobody ever told us, so we cannot even recognize that that is possible. It is so hard to go into the head when life can be so simple. So when you're committed to yourself, would you be angry? Would you be hard on yourself? Would you not want to connect with who you truly be? Would you choose something that will give you, no. Everything that is for this reality, the way these people have been functioning and telling us to function from there. इसने तुम्हें कहा टाइट टिट फॉर टैट, इसका जवाब दो. Everywhere you're not committed to yourself, you're making excuses. Excuses not to create. You using reasons and justifications for why this is happening. When you're committed, I'm committed, I'm going to do this, I'm creating money, no matter what. What would I have to say to her that she sends me 10 more? And we have these energy poles in foundation. There are these energy poles. There are these so many million tools that sitting here. There's a niece of mine. She has a shop and she sells me Mami Ji. There are so many people who haven't paid. They take things, they don't pay. So I told her to sit there, name one person, and just keep pulling energy from her, name her, and then keep pulling, pull, have fun pulling energy, pulling just tsunami of energy from her, and then get into her and say, oh my God, her name is Soni. Oh my God, Soni, I have to pay you. Oh my God, Soni, I have to come and pay you. I'm so sorry, I haven't paid you. Put those words in that person. She said it was by magic in the first week, 10, 12 people just came and paid me their money. You are a potent, phenomenal, infinite being. Where are you not being yourself? Where do you think you have to do something? उसको ऐसे बोलूंगा मैं, उसको ये करूंगा मैं, उसको वो करूं, तो तब मेरे को ये होगा, मैं क्या करूं, मैं कौन सा process करूं? No, just be you. How much fun can you have being you? Pull energy from her.
Kaval, you said that she pulled the energy and she said, I have to pay you. It was the opposite person who was supposed to pay her, no?
No. She put herself in her head and
Okay.
put these words in her head.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to do this for you. I'm so sorry I haven't been able to come. I'm so sorry, I will come. I will send somebody. What time you would be there? And she just put all those words in her head. And that lady, when you pull energy and when you go into somebody's head, they cannot take you out of their head. Till they pay you.
It's
उनको
like
चैन नहीं
that person
मिलेगा.
was talking in her body.
Sorry?
It's like the giver was talking with in her body. Like she
Giver?
becomes जिसको देना था पैसा.
किसको देना था ना, उसके अंदर ये वर्ड डाल दिए एनर्जेटिकली. अब वो उसके दिमाग में चल रहे हैं, मुझे इसको पैसा देना, मुझे इसको पैसा देना, मुझे इसको पैसा देना. You stay rent free in their head.
Kanwal ji, good morning.
Good morning, darling. Good morning.
तो मैं अभी कभी से स्टार्ट किया, मैंने बोला कि आज लगता है कि कमल जी टायर्ड है, अभी तक नहीं आई है, तो मैं
नहीं,
2
I was, in fact, I was here before 7:45.
बिफोर, तो अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ था जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया। स्टार्ट कब हुआ?
7:45.
स्टार्ट भी हो गया? ओ, आई बिकम सो लेट। अच्छा,
I was here, I think 43, 7:43 I was here.
वो अच्छा, राइट, ठीक है। तो फिर ये टॉपिक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, इसका रिकॉर्डिंग तो भेजेंगे ना आप?
हाँ, बिल्कुल रिकॉर्डिंग तो हो रहा है।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। हाँ, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। पुल एंड पुल वाला चाहिए ही था मुझे। आप इसी बात कोट कर रहे थे, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। Somebody has
नहीं,
taken our money also and
yeah,
not returned to our.
get into their head with no
Hmm.
point of view, guys. If you have a point of view कि आया नहीं, आएगा कब, ये करोगा, फिर नहीं होगा. Are you having fun? What can I create here? What contribution can I be, and what will be joyous and fun for me? With no point of view, आएगा नहीं आएगा, कमल ने बोला था अब ये करूंगी, ऐसे करेंगे, पैसे आ जाएंगे. No, guys, no. It doesn't work like that. There is no handbook. There are no rules to live your life. There is just a choice. You just have to choose to be who you truly be.
अगर हमें जॉब चाहिए, जॉब के लिए भी ऐसा ही करने का, सपोज
Anything you can pull energy into.
लाइक
From the universe.
इंटरव्यू के लिए किसी के पास से आया है, बट स्टिल इंटरव्यू में अपन ने अप्लाई कर दिया, बट अभी तक आया नहीं है, तो
अभी तक आया नहीं है, तथास्तु. What else is possible? How does it get any better than this? What else is?
अच्छा,
Where else do I have to go? Is it for me? Would I be having fun with this? Will it create more for me? All those
Okay.
questions. Maybe it is not for you. Maybe the universe is creating something else for you. But when you say आया नहीं, तो universe कहता अच्छा ठीक है, आया नहीं. Universe is all the time listening. You just make choice. How, when, where, what is going to come is the universe's job, not your job. Every time you have a choice, you ask, what would my life be 5 years from now? If I choose this, if I get this job, what would my life be 5 years from now? If I don't get this job, what would be my life for 5 years from now? You will get the awareness. Oh my God, I don't even want it. Would you be happier? Would you have more money? The energy of your life would be what? 5 years from now.
Kamal, there's one question from somebody. Can you read that? The person is asking, can I ask a question?
Yes, please. Kumar Sanjay. Yes, please go ahead.
Kamal, good morning.
Good morning, darling. I love the tree. Though I would like to look at your face, but
Sure. Sure.
He's so handsome.
Hi. So I have
Okay.
a question. I have a question that that everyone knows that we are a creator. So I am a potent creator. I know this thing. I acknowledge this thing. And the moment I think, though, to have anything, I get that. This is the
how
reality.
cool are you? Anybody would like to
but-
duplicate that energy here? Guys, look at that. What would it take for me to duplicate that energy? Not whole Sanjay. Sanjay. Not the whole of Sanjay, but that energy that he is being. Duplicate that. And everything doesn't allow that. Destroy and create, all right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, all nice, short, boys, and beyond. Yes, Sanjay, sorry for holding on.
So
to
what about if I want anything? So people send me without even asking. If I see anything, if I think that I want it, so I think okay, chalo mil jaye. So even though people who have those things, they send to me. I don't ask them. So some people say that we have to decide the goals and then only the law of attraction works, that we have to work for that, and only thinking is not the thing, we have to work for that. But I don't believe this, because for me, only by thinking it happens. But I have a problem with this. I have a situation with this, that when I get the things very easily, so I get bored of those things, because मुझे तो ऐसे ही मिल गया. So because I think that कि अभी तो मिल गया, ठीक है, तो I get bored of those things very easily. So
You are a
I want to know that.
humanoid. You're a humanoid. You will get bored of things you pay for also. You will get bored of things that you make an effort and bring it also. You are a humanoid. There's nothing wrong in that.
So I was
Everywhere you're
wondering,
making that wrong, everywhere you're making that wrong, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong,
Yes.
good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys and beyond. Yes. So what is it that you are, what is your question?
मेरा ये क्वेश्चन था कि मतलब मुझे खराब लगता है फिर कि यार अभी तो हो भी रही सब चीजें, तो फिर
अब
बोर
ये
क्यों जा रहे हो, उसको
खराब
enjoy करना
लगता
चाहिए.
है जो, अब ये खराब लगता है जो, दैट इज व्हाट इज रॉन्ग. अब पेड़ है वो इतना फैल रहा है, उसको खराब लगता है. उसको खराब लगता है कि मैं यहाँ से इतना ना फैलूं, इधर मैं फैल रहा हूँ, मैं उधर भी फैल रहा हूँ. घास है, घास कंक्रीट के ऊपर भी चढ़ी जा रहा है, उसको बुरा लगता है. Oh my God, I'm so abundant. Thank you. Can I have more of that? Oh, I'm bored with this. Can I have that now? Can I have that now? That.
Yes, yes, yes.
Everywhere you're making yourself wrong, if everywhere going into the guilt of this reality. No, you should be satisfied. इतना है आपके पास, और क्यों मांग रहे हो? आप तो greedy हो. Yes, I am greedy. I'm an infinite being with infinite possibilities. I want everything. This one I'm bored at the moment. Okay, I want that. Come on. You can choose anything. Everywhere you're making yourself wrong for the abundance. When you make yourself wrong for the abundance, universe is listening. उसने कहना अच्छा इसको अब और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Yes,
So
yeah.
what have you been choosing that if you choose something different could show up with way more ease, joy and glory? Anything that you choose can come to you with ease, joy and glory. And every way you're making that wrong, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all night, short, boys and beyond. And what would it take for everyone to step into the energy that he bees? And what would it take for you to step into this energy in every area of your life? In your business, in your living, in your relationship, in your body. How much more fun?
Yes.
Guilt is a distractor implant. It distracts you from being the infinite being that you're truly being at the moment. Infinite being would choose anything. Okay, I'll have that. I'll have that. I'll have that. I'll have more of that. Where are you making yourself finite by saying, oh, I will have only this much? I can't have more. I shouldn't ask for more. I shouldn't get bored. A child, you give a child a toy, the child will break that toy. 100 का है, 1000 का है, the child has no point of view. वो उसको तोड़ेगा, फिर बोलेगा दूसरा दे दो. Come on, you're an infinite being and the world is there for you. It has your back always. Okay, you want this? Now take this.
Thank you so much.
Universe has no point of view about breaking. वो पेड़ को एक साइड से काट दिया, वो दूसरे साइड से उगना शुरू हो जाता है. उसको थोड़ी है कि अब मैंने काट दिया अब तो मैं नहीं उगूंगा.
Yes.
All people who do not have all their full senses or something, like a blind person will have a magical phenomenal potency in touch or in feel.
Yes.
They know more than you know who have got eyes.
Yeah, they have strong senses. Their sensory organs are very.
Yeah, so you have so much abundance coming to you. What else? How more can I, what else and what more can I invite into my life? And when you have more, you become, it overflows for you, from you. Then everybody around you is also abundant. How can you be the most that you can be? And what would it take for you to commit to your life way beyond anybody ever imagined on planet Earth? And what is commitment to you?
Yes.
Creating magic in every now moment. Universe is always hearing you. You think मैं सुबह बैठ के 10 क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा तो अब वो दुनिया अब वो देगी. No. Every reaction, every action, every energy, every word that comes out of your mouth, every word that goes in your head is an ask of the universe. Universe always hears you and then gifts it to you. So what energy are you being? What are you asking? If you're being, oh my God, I'm getting all that and I'm now bored with it and I'm now guilty, you know, universe is listening, says, okay, ab isko kuch aur nahi dena. You kill it.
Okay.
Who am I today and what grand, glorious adventure can I have? Universe, show me, I'm willing to receive it all.
Yes.
Wake up every morning and commit to your life. Yes, Sagri. Thank you, Sanjay.
Would it
for
help
your... Did it help, Sanjay, in any
Would
way?
it?
Yes.
1 minute,
Yes, it helped.
Sagri.
It
Let me
helped me.
finish that. Okay.
Yes,
Everything
it
that
helped
brought
me.
up for everything that brought up for everybody, would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, on a short, boys and beyond? Yes, Sagri.
Would it help to clear the distractor here? And what I was perceiving was that he's feeling kind of guilty because he is, not, it's all coming too easy. So would clearing the distractors help here?
Actually, clearings help. Choice helps beyond that. If you become aware of where you are choosing different and where you're choosing what you're choosing, and if it's not working for you, choose different. What would the clearing do there? Clearing is for all those points of view that are blocked in you. So they go simultaneously in hand with each other. These points of view that he has about feeling guilty and all has been entrained and ingrained from trillions of years. For them to come up, probably he had asked some questions, that's why they're coming up. They're coming on his face now. And now it's his choice. Would he be willing to choose something different? And if you get, Sanjay, that you have to do some clearing, please go ahead. It's what works for you. I don't know what will work for you. I can only tell you these are the other options and possibilities. What works for you, only you know. Follow your knowing what's light. Go ahead with that. Everything that brought up for everybody, would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, popcorn, all night, short, boys and beyond. My electricity is gone. Yes, agree.
One more question. Can we
Yes.
ask somebody else, or we can ask for ourselves only?
What, for example?
अगर मुझे सपोज कोई भी, मैं अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी मांग सकती हूँ या खुद के लिए मांग सकती हूँ?
I would say that what you ask, they are included. But if there is specific that you want for them, then it's controlling.
अच्छा.
Then you are thinking, I know better. They should follow what I know. But if you are asking for peace, joy, and glory, then they are included. They are included in your universe, right?
Yeah.
So everybody around you is happy, you are happy. You hear a story, somebody died, somebody committed suicide, and you start feeling bad, right? You buy into that story. So if you are ease, joy, and glory, then you are actually creating a different reality on planet Earth when you're asking for ease, joy, and glory. Then everything is included.
Okay.
So when you're specifically saying that they should get a job, or they should make more money, or they should have a husband, or a wife, then are you sync with the universe? Then you can ask the universe, what would it take for me to be his joy and glory with everything, with all the choices that my children are making?
Exactly. That should be the ask. Okay, okay.
So stop
Can
wishing.
you repeat it once more?
I don't know what I said. So stop
Can you?
wishing. Stop wishing and start creating. People do.
Okay.
People start wishing. What I see people doing is they start wishing for something for themselves, for their children, for their family, for their husbands. That is actually not. That is actually a control system. That is actually a superior system.
Uh-huh.
You know.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. What would it take for me to
I have a question, Kawan.
Yes, please go ahead.
मुझे ये पूछना था कि मेरा ये कंफ्यूजन है लाइक कमिटेड टू आवरसेल्फ तो मुझे ये लगता है कि मैं कमिटेड हूँ अपने आप से लाइक कल से जल्दी उठूंगी एंड एक्सरसाइज एंड गो फॉर वॉकिंग एंड मेडिटेशन ये सब चीजें बट मेरा बॉडी ये नहीं बोलता है तो मुझे ये कंफ्यूजन है कि बॉडी सुनो कि लाइक अपने साथ क्या करना है.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me stop you. There are many things there. One, you said that I am committed to myself. What do you mean by committed to yourself? Do you judge yourself? Do you judge others? Yes or no?
I don't know actually.
You don't know? You don't know? You are judging yourself just now about your body. It should be like
Yes,
this. It isn't like this. Is that commitment?
Okay.
Are you functioning from lack rather than the space of creation? Judging yourself, judging your body, judging others does not create anything. That is not commitment, my love.
Okay.
How many people go to bed wishing they had $1 million? And what if instead you woke up and said, what is going to take to create that 1 million? And actually start physically instituting and actualizing what it would create, what it would take for you to create that amount. What if you looked at your body every day and told your body, I love you the way you are. Do you want to be like this? Show me how you want to be. What would you want to look like? Give total freedom to your body. Give total freedom to your body. No judgment allowed here. Every morning, every time you cross a mirror, say, body, show me how you would look to, how you would like to look. Body is like to show off. Body is like to be lusted upon. Body is like to be appreciated. When you give a total freedom to them, they will show you how beautiful they can be, how amazing they can look. We are judging all the time. That's not commitment. Would you be willing to have what shows up? What is? Would you be willing to make that level of commitment no matter what it looks like, what it takes? I am never going to judge my body. Never, ever, ever, never, never, ever, ever, never. When you said all that and you said, but, you negated the first half. You made the first half wrong, that I am committed to my life. You become more aware when you're saying, I'm committed to my life. Universe, show me what commitment is. You become more aware of all the subtle things around you. You get to be aware of where you're not committed to yourself. and what you truly desire and what you can choose. And then there is no wish, there is creation. Wish is in somebody else's hands, you think. Creation is in your hands.
Yes.
Okay, Kanwal, I want to ask you about that judging about
Thank you
the
so much.
Can I
Thank you,
complete
Paul.
with Hitesh? Hitesh, did that make any sense?
Yes. Yes.
Everything that
Awesome.
brought up in your everything that brought up in your world, would you be willing to destroy and get it all?
Yes,
नेक्स्ट
please.
एक हफ्ता कमिट टू योरसेल्फ कि मैंने अपनी बॉडी को कुछ नहीं कहना, जब भी देखना है उसको हग करना है और शीशे में बोलना है कि तू बहुत सुंदर है, मुझे दिखा और कितनी सुंदर हो सकती है. I love you the way you are, but let's play. And then next week on Sunday, let me see how, what, if anything changed.
Yes, of course.
Okay?
Yes.
You are
Thank you,
laughing.
thank you.
You're laughing. That means it's light for you.
Yeah, it's very light.
Thank you, darling. Yes, Usha.
Yeah, this one just now about body. Okay, we are not judging ourselves. Like yesterday, I was wearing one gown, and then my mom said, "You look so fat." Nah,
Mom,
we are
yeah,
not judging.
Mom, you have that interesting point of view. You have that point of view. Wow, you think so? I think I'm looking too good. Your people around you are mirroring what is going in your head. What is in the back of your mind? मैं मोटी हूँ. They are just mirroring, they are just projecting what you have projected on yourself. And anything that anybody else says, that is one thing. Having said that, second thing is that what people think they are, they will project at you. So it doesn't have to do anything with you. It has to do with them. They think when I wear that gown, I will look fat. So they are projecting it on you. So are you willing to, are you aware not to receive that? You are so much at ease when you have no point of view. When there is no judgment for you, then people will out or around you will have no judgment of you. They don't perceive it. They just say what you are thinking. Try this. Everywhere that you think you're fat, would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys and beyond. You don't have to put a mask, pretend. Don't have to decide what you are, ought to be, ought not to be. It is a different world altogether when you're functioning from no judgment for you or anybody else. But it's very difficult because we have been entrained. We've chosen everything by judgment. Ye right hai, ye wrong hai, ye karna hai, nahi karna hai, positive hai, good hai, ye bad hai. We've been taught like that. Now you have a different reality showing up for you. Are you willing to receive that? Are you willing to receive something different? Are you willing to choose something different? You know about body, when you're putting those judgments on your body, you are literally dying. You're creating more death in your body. Have you heard when in some villages they don't cut, some place they don't cut trees, anybody going, they just decide this tree has to move from here. The whole town or village just keeps going and abusing or saying something to the tree and the tree dies. Are you
Yeah,
doing
in
that to your
Rajasthan
body?
it is like that.
So are you doing that to your body? Every time you look at yourself
Often.
and you say, ये मोटी है, ये अच्छी नहीं है, ये यहाँ अच्छी नहीं है, इसको ऐसे, इसको ये होना चाहिए था, ये नाक ठीक नहीं है, ये बाल ठीक नहीं है. What are you doing? You're literally killing it, guys. You're killing that. You're killing your money flow. You're killing your business. So are you going to commit to your life now to create or die? What are you going to choose?
8.
Yeah. Just create. What can I create here? What can I choose here? Different. For the fun of it. All those people who are happy, joyous, they don't age. Go for what's fun for you, what's light for you, what you know is true for you. Adventure of living.
So, Kamal, when a judgment
My
comes up
God,
about
it's 9:18. Yes, Agri. Yeah, last question. Yes.
when a judgment comes up about the body, how can I get out of it in the moment?
Do you come to know that judgment comes up?
That's the
Are
problem.
you aware of it when it comes up?
No.
Not always, but sometimes, yes. So when I become aware, what can I do?
When you become aware, you've already on the road to changing it. You already acknowledged it. Acknowledgement is the first thing. Oh, I'm doing it. Huh? No more.
So just saying,
I can change it. What can I change? What can I do to change this now? What choices do I have available to not go into this? Body, let's not go into it. Universe, show me when I go into it. Employ the universe and the body for all eternity to let you know when you're, and then you don't choose that. You choose something different. It is very easy. Every way you're trying to make it difficult and hard, would you be willing to destroy and create it all?
Yeah.
Right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, online, short, boys, and beyond. Most people don't even know what they are doing. They keep doing. I didn't know before Access. I was keep doing the same thing again and again, thinking that it will bring a different result. Insanity is to keep doing the same thing again and again and expect a different result. Keep judging your body and I'm fat, and think that you will get thin even when you starve. No. Body will accumulate stuff to make you fat. Because that is what you have been telling it. Because that is what it has heard. It says, okay, tathastu, I will make it. That way. If you have no point of view, if you're just loving your body the way you are, loving your being the way you are, and choosing what doesn't work for you, choosing something that works for you and not choosing what doesn't work for you, not making that wrong. When you don't give attention to it, it dies. When you don't give attention to one plant, it will die. When you don't give attention to your judgments, they'll go away, they die. Don't make them bigger than you. You are the phenomenal being. You are in an infinite being, not judgments. Don't make them bigger than you. What if there was a different possibility? If you make it all about fat, all about money, all about, then you will limit the possibilities and creativity that can show up. Be in question and never judge. These are, even if you don't get anything from these Sunday calls or from Access, if you just do two things, I will never judge and I will be in question. You will start creating a different reality for you and for everybody else on the planet. Guys, everybody seems to be very quiet suddenly.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah, because it's awesome. It's great. That's why we're quiet. We're absorbing what you're saying. And thank you for all this. Huh?
Kaval, there is one
Yeah.
question from
Ma'am, can-
Veena or somebody. Just read it.
My brother-in-law, Dr. Upendrajit Gill, is suffering from corona. Can we send an... Yes, let's, before we close this, let's all of us send energy to him.
Yeah.
Spread your arms. Bring Dr. Upendrajit Gill into your awareness. And everything that he requires, his body requires, let's gift it to him and allow the universe to contribute to him simultaneously. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And let's do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm also getting 7. Magic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 5, 9, 11, 14, 19, 20 for corona to go away. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Kaval, one request more.
Thank you.
My mother-in-law's legs have been swollen again with lots of medicines also. She's going little, she's going little
So
backward. Please.
can we all do it 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4 for her, please? Rukmani
Yes.
is her name.
Yes, thank you.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to kill it. Kill all that. MD and DM कर दे उसके ऊपर उनके ऊपर.
Yes. Yes. Thanks, Kaval. Love you.
Love you all, guys. See you next Sunday.
मैम कॉल जल्दी भेज देना.
वो तो
जल्दी भेज दो.
इंटरनेट पे डिपेंड होता है. One thing, and please, guys, if you have any questions, you can write in the group during the day, during the week also.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any question, don't wait for 1 week.
Thank you.
You can just write it in the group and let me see if I have anything to contribute.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Love you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, and we are also having,
Bye.
we are also having a bars class on 20th and 21st from 1 to 5. We are taking 2 days to do a bars class. Anybody who wants to do a bars class or repeat a bars class, please, you're welcome. All right, bye-bye.